If you want to enable or disable app notifications on the Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all we need to go to settings. Once you open settings, we need to scroll down a little bit in order to find notifications, and over here we have app notifications. Now by default we have the list of most recent apps, that means apps that recently sent us notifications, but we can switch from most recent to, for example, all apps in order to see the alphabetical list of apps. And over here you can completely enable or disable all app notifications by tapping on the switcher right next to the app, or you can tap on the app itself in order to find some more options. Sometimes we can see more notification settings over here. So as you can see in the example of the Chrome browser, if Chrome notifications are enabled, I can decide each individual notification whether it should be working or not, pretty much. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.